The Bergenland. Gentle hills, outstanding wine, and tides. Tides? Yes, tides. Because sometimes the world flocks here and other times it doesn't. But now there's my rate, an AI that can see into the future. It knows today what occupancy will look like tomorrow and lets us respond with future targeting. Fewer visitors on the horizon? Increase ad pressure in key source regions. Bookings skyrocket? Ads are reduced or paused altogether. Fully automated across mobile, desktop, and digital out-of-home platforms. And yes, it works. Spectacularly. In October, projected occupancy was exceeded by an astonishing 58%. No guessing, just precise forecasts and perfectly targeted advertising. Welcome to the sunny side of targeting. Welcome to Bergenland.